Student, today we will learn the chapter indeterminate form. In the previous part, we have learned the 0 upon 0 form. Now, in this part, we will learn the other forms. One is infinite upon infinite form. Okay. So, evaluations of infinite upon infinite. You have already learned the 0 upon 0. Now in this part we will learn this form. So student, we can use the theorem that if fx and gx are two functions such that limit x tends towards a fx equal to infinite and gx x tends towards a is also infinite and f dash x upon g dash x x tends towards a exist, then limit fx upon gx x tends towards infinite is equal to f dash x upon g dash x. This limit is a and this is also limit a. X tends towards a, f dash x, g dash x, x tends towards a. If g dash x, x tends towards a equal not 0. Formula is same, okay, as 0 upon 0 we are using here. But an important note is here, this you have to learn much. If in the form infinite upon infinite, it is necessary to change into the form 0 upon 0. Otherwise, the process will never end. Okay, this is a very important point. Now we will do some questions on this topic. Evaluate of limit x tends towards 0 log sine 2x upon log sine x. Okay, so when we put here sine 2x and sine x, sine 0, it is sine 0 log 0 and it is log 0. Log 0 comes to infinite and log infinite comes to at 0. So it is a infinite upon infinite form. Okay. So what we have to do, applying L'Hospital's rule, now what we get, limit x tends towards 0 and take differentiate of this 1 upon sine 2x into cos 2x into 2 upon 1 upon sine x into cos x equal to limit x tends towards 0. We got 2 cot 2x upon cot x. Now we can see here, this is in the form of infinite upon infinite again. So I am telling you, process will never end if you will not change it in the form of 0 upon 0. So this is very important point. We have changed it 10x upon 10 2x, x tends towards 0. So now it is 0 upon 0 form. Okay, hence we use it again derivative 2 sec square x upon 2 sec square 2x. Okay, so x tends towards 0. Now if we put here 2 into 1 square upon 2 into 1 square equal to 1. So this is your required answer. This is the very important point. You have to change if it is infinite upon infinite form. Somewhere you have to reduce it in the 0 upon 0 form. Otherwise process will never end. Okay. So go to next example, that evaluate limit x tends towards 0 of log x upon cot x. Log 0 infinite form, cot 0 infinite form, so it is infinite upon infinite type. So using L'Hospital's rule, now limit x tends towards 0, we find the differential of this 1 upon x upon minus cosec square x, and we can write it limit x tends towards 0 minus sine square x upon x. Okay, now it is in 0 upon 0 form. So we can take the differential again. We can write minus 2 sine x cos x upon 1, x tends towards 0. So now putting here values of 0, we can find equal to 0. So it is your required answer. Understand, students? So this way you can solve some questions of infinite upon infinite form, and thank you for watching.